John Deere D170 won't move forward or back. Belt is okay and bypass lever in back of tractor appears to move in and out properly. There is an electrical button back there near bypass lever. Is it somehow involved?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Since I replaced broken deck lift shaft and tried to use it for first time.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Did you remove either of the rear wheels?
I am waiting.
Did you remove either of the rear wheels? Are you not able to see my response? Scroll up.
Both. I removed both rear wheels.
The wheels have square keys that lock them to the axles. You have lost one of the keys and the axle is rotating in the wheel.
Both wheels have the keys in place.
I don't like to argue, but I suspect that is your problem. Have someone try to drive while you look at the axle ends and wheels.
You are right, it's fixed, thanks.
Good job. Thanks. Please use the 5-star rating chart to close the question and get me credit.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.